Hi there, in this lecture we are going to see how to add your pixel to your website. First, I'm going to show you how to add your pixel to your WordPress website. You go to your Facebook Ads Manager and you search for pixel and you go to this page. In here you click on Set Up Pixel. There are many options. Either you choose to add the pixel using a partner or you add it manually. This option is the first one I'm going to try, so I'm going to click in here. There are many options in here. You can pick any one that suits you if you are using different web hosting than WordPress or if you have a different case, but I'm going here to choose WordPress. Here Facebook will walk me step by step through how to install my pixel. I'm going here to click on Continue. I'm going to click on download because Facebook now is asking me to download a plugin that I'm going to add to my WordPress in order to add the pixel. So I'm going to click on download. The plugin is already downloaded. I'm going to click on continue. Facebook now is asking me to add this plugin to my WordPress website. So I'm going to my WordPress website in here and I'm going to plugins and I'm going to plugins. And I'm going to click on add new. I'm going to upload a plugin. I'm going to choose the file I have already downloaded. And I'm going to click on install now. So now I'm installing this plugin on my website. I'm going to click on activate plugin. So now my plugin is activated. Let's go back to Facebook and let's see what Facebook is asking me to do. I'm going to click on continue. And now Facebook is asking me to install the plugin. We have already done that. Now I'm going to click on continue. Now Facebook is asking me to activate the plugin. This is already done. Before proceeding into this step, we have to enter our pixel ID in the plugin we have added to WordPress. So we go back to WordPress and we click in here and we paste our pixel ID in here. I will show you in seconds where you find your pixel ID. And I will click on Save Changes. So now my pixel is activated. I'm going back to my Facebook in here and I'm going to paste my website URL like this and I'm going to send the traffic test to make sure that the pixel is activated on my website. The test will take a few minutes. You just have to make sure that the result at the end is active. So in this way, you will know that your pixel is working on your website and it's registering all the things that are happening there. Here you can set up different events for your different web pages. You can do that. You just have to enter your website URL in here. You open website and you give each page the specific event you want to give it. It's very easy. You just have to follow Facebook instructions. And you can find a lot of information about this in Facebook Helps. And you click on continue. And this is it. We have added our pixel to our WordPress website. As I told you, I'm going to show you where you find your pixel ID. Your pixel ID is found in here and you just have to click on it to copy this ID. Now there is another way to add your pixel to your store and it is to add it manually. You click here on Setup Pixel. You click on Manually Add Pixel Code to Website. You copy this code and you add this code to your WordPress header section. To be able to add this code to your head section, you have to install this plugin into your WordPress website. After adding this plugin, you will be able to insert any code to your head section. So you have to pick between these two options and to make sure that in both cases the pixel is activated. Now if you have funnels and you are using a funnel builder to build your funnels, Usually in all funnel builders, there is a section where you can add the code manually to the head section of each page. So you copy the code from here, and you usually have a section where you can add this code into the header section. And this is it. Hopefully this lecture will help you installing. Regardless of what kind of websites you have built or what kind of funnel builders you are using, installing your Facebook pixel is a very easy step. Just follow Facebook instructions and you will be there. In this lecture, I tried to show you an example of how to install your pixel. So don't worry if you are using a different kind of softwares, installing the pixel is very easy. Stay tuned and let's meet in the next lecture.